You'll use a hole feature a lot. It is located in the Home tab feature group. This feature uses the sketcher as an option to place the hole. I'll click Sketch Section to do this. I'm defining a sketch, so I'll pick the top face and define the horizontal reference. I'm now prompted to create a point. You do not need to sketch the profile of the hole. You simply use this point to locate the hole's center. I'll now close the Sketch Point dialog and edit the dimensions that were created automatically. I'll change this one to be 2, and since the second one is from the fillet and not the edge, I'll create a dimension to replace it. This is all that needs to be done in the sketch, so I'll click Finish. A preview of the hole displays, which defaults to the values you used last. There are several types of holes, such as general, drill size, screw clearance, and threaded. I'll set it to threaded and select the size as 5/8. With this, I can accept the rest of the values and just change the depth. Be sure to check the hole direction. It defaulted to normal to face, which is exactly what I want. A relief and chamfer can be created on the fly, and in fact, since I selected a specific thread size, the chamfer values are filled in for me. At this point, I'm satisfied, so I'll click OK to create the hole. I'll create another hole, only this time I'll carefully pick the center of the boss to avoid creating a sketch, as it's not going to be necessary in this case. If I pick a face, I'll end up creating a sketch instead. Right away, the preview of the hole displays, and I have defined its location to always be the center of this boss. I could use normal to face as the hole direction, but instead I'll set it to a long vector and pick this datum axis to define the direction. For the general hole type, you have the option of creating a simple, counterbored, countersunk, or tapered hole, and the additional parameters display appropriately. I'll leave it set to simple and enter 0.5 for the diameter. I'll set the depth limit to through body and create the hole.